In this video we will talk about styling scope in Angular components. Every component has this encapsulation property in decorator, and this property tells us how Angular scopes component styles. There are 4 options for this property, and all of them we can see in ViewEncapsulation enum. Here we have emulated, experimental, isolated, shadow DOM, none, and shadow DOM. Let's talk about each one. By default, Angular uses emulated encapsulation. And with this type of encapsulation, every CSS defined in this component CSS file, here in first component CSS, will only affect template for this component. It will not be propagated to other components. There is no leak of CSS. Our CSS in this file will be encapsulated only to this component. Let's try this on one example. I will define here CSS, paragraph to be blue, color blue, and see results. Our paragraph is blue. This paragraph is from this component here, but let's define here also in app.html one another paragraph. Hello. Save and see results. We can notice that this text hello doesn't have blue color because CSS from first component not affected CSS from app component, and that is something that we want with this emulated encapsulation. But there is one more interesting thing. What do you think what will be happen if I define in global CSS file some color for paragraph? We will try to add CSS for paragraph color here in styles CSS. Let's write here this color red, save. Let's see. Again, it's blue. So winner is style from component. But we need to be carefully because if we write more specific style here in styles CSS, for example, important and save, it will be red. So be aware that this can happen sometimes. Okay, that's it for this emulated encapsulation. We can clean this code. We don't need it anymore. And go back to first component. And that's it for this video. See you in the next one.